Here we are from Blue Collar Bobbers. We have the big boy finished up and ready to go. It's the Honda Shadow VTX 1300. Okay, this is the 1300C model. We are in the process of finding an R model to do the kits for too, so we will have that ready to go soon. But this is the C, and man, is it easy to convert. Basically, all you just do is the rear end and the lights, and then the front end and stuff you can leave it stock. It even has a nice drag bar from the factory. So, and the really cool thing about these bikes is they're just all motor. The bike itself isn't that big. They're fairly low to the ground, so they're really nice for smaller riders. And they just, you know, like I say, they're all motor, but the bike itself isn't really that tall. We'll start with the back end. You will have to cut the passenger supports off the back of the bike, and then after that, everything we have just bolts right into place. So the conversion really is super easy, and our videos will show you how to do it all. There's the bobber fender, and then there's our seats. We have leather seats, they're not vinyl. We have tons of seats to choose from. And there's the really cool thing about this bike is it's this great big old chromed motor. I mean, it's a thing of beauty. Honda really went all out. In fact, I'm not sure they make anything like this that's comparable now with all these new black plastic looking bikes, you know. The quality of this bike is unbelievable. On this one, we just kind of left the stock colors. We even left the emblems on the tank, but if you go on the website, you'll see different colors and versions of this bike that aren't like so much like stock. We even painted the wheels on some of the ones on the website. We use a stock fender on the front, which makes it real easy. Again, our seats are all leather. They're not vinyl. We use real thick shaft leather on the seats, and we have a lot of selections on our website. So you should go there and see all the colors and different stitching and stuff. And then we have a quick release system on this, like we do on some of the other bikes, where you just remove this screw and this one. And then the entire seat comes off so you can get to your battery and your wiring. Let me show you the lights on this bike. They're really cool. Okay, if you'll notice, we have really super high quality black nickel signal lights, and they are running and signal lights both. And then we have that really nice antique 1929 Ford black tail light that's LED, and man, it is super bright. And if you'll notice, it lights the license plate. And we also have the license brackets in vertical like this one, and then we have them in horizontal, so it runs sideways like a car. Let me hit the brake and the signals. We like to have the super quality high output lights that are safe and cool looking. We also offer the same black signal lights for the front, and they hug the forks a lot better than the stock lights also. And they are also dual filament. If you go to our website, you can see that these wheels just beg to be painted. Because they're not chrome, you can paint them with wet paint. You don't have to powder coat them. And so it leaves a lot of options for colors. We have a whole bunch of colors on the website you can check out. And then you can kind of decide how you're going to do your bike. You can pick these bikes up cheap right now because there's billions of them out there. And they're getting old enough to where the prices are super good on them. Okay, there you have it. These bikes are old school, and they're chrome, and they're quality, and they're just amazing. And like I say, look at that motor. That thing's huge. We have the Cobra pipes on this one. It has a real good sound. Be sure to check out the website, because like I said, we have a lot of colors on this bike on the website to get a big variety of looks that you want to do on it. And we will have the R model finished soon. Just Google blue collar bobbers and our website will pop right up. And that way you can check out all the bikes we do plus the new VTX 1300. Have a good day and thanks for watching.